spouse, husband and his wife sit together and then discuss about their financial responsibility.
Too bad we can't see the video. Thank you so much. Invite our next speakers. Aurora and Ali, just one of you. Okay. Would you like to introduce?
Thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Aroyan. I'm from MDPI Foundation, a national NGO in Indonesia. Today I will not give heavy material to you all. We just play a game, snail game. The characteristic of our fishers, usually they fishing trip 1 until 3 days. And then the vessel, they use one gross tonnage, so very small. And his target is tuna, and fishing there is den line. Before we jump into the objective, I have one question for you. When you need the advice for financial, where will you go? Financial planner? Consultant? But how about our coastal communities? They also need this, isn't right? So it's why we develop this training material, training tools to introduce to them how the importance of financial management. The demo version. Alif, please.
Okay, thank you, Aryan. So everyone, in my front, we have a demo version of Snail Game Series 1. In the package, there is a game board. This is the game board. The actual size, 1 meter square. In the game board, there are 3 symbols. Yeah. The example, fishing card. Congratulations, you caught 2 tuna for 2 million rupiah. Money. And there is a guidebook for playing. And the last, there are government regulations of ETP species animal. Okay, thank you.
Actually, there is a financial literacy video, but unfortunately, there is internet version. I jump into the next slide. So in CPM Series 1, introduce financiology, how identifying income and expenses, the importance of saving, and diversification livelihood. Series number 2, completed into 2023, introduce life goals. So you know, fishers cannot doing fishing along his life. So he must have a planning when he retire. So this slide and this series will teach them for retirement plan. And then the last one, series 3, have fishers to know about the formal and informal financial institutions, what the advantages, requirements, and the risk of these various options. This is the finding. For disclaimer, we are not from economic background or financial planner background, so we just using our pre and post test data to analyze. You can see the smaller one with orange area is a pre-test data, and the bigger one, the blue area, is a post-test data. So in conclusion, our finding are like 2 major points. The first one, context is the key. Conducting training using contextual methods that are close to daily life of the community is absolutely vital. The second, inclusivity creates opportunities. By running an inclusive program, we can reach wider communities and create economic opportunities. Thank you for your time and attention.
That was amazing. Does anyone have any questions? Thank you.
Really interesting. Just curious if I think knowledge is really important. I think you demonstrated that you have immense knowledge. I think I work in Africa, so it's a different context completely. But in many parts of Africa, the issue I think is even with people with knowledge, there are huge structural barriers to improving is there a way for them to somehow access, like, I mean, again, I've never worked in Indonesia, like, can people access things like credit, loans, banking, or are there other steps that, yeah, someone's gonna have to address so that people can do those
Yes,
steps?
it's true. In coastal community, there is a cooperative that give a loan with high interest, very high, and it's not make sense with us. So it's why we developed series number 3 to give them the knowledge about the advantages every single option of the informal and formal institutions. But basically, they are always make a loan with a middleman. But it's not a best way, I think. So yeah, true. That's right.
One very easy question. You have this information in a page web or something because it's really interesting and we can connect with some effort in Mexico and other countries.
Yeah, actually, this is already adopted in local NGOs, and then Abu Lobby from Africa already contact us for the adopted case. So you can reach out for the information in our website mdpi.or.id. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
And I have some information in the table, some summary also for you because you already here.
Can I ask you, have you done this with younger people as well, like in schools, or is it mostly for
Yeah.
adults?
We already trained the youth in the village because what? They are of our champions. So before we training the officer and his wife, we deliver to the youth that help us with the training conducted. And this is the interesting because when you want to join this game, you must bring your spouse. Yeah, because this is a financial.
Plot twist.
In my video there is, but there is no connection. You can see spouse, husband and his wife sit together and then discuss about their financial.
Too bad we can't see the video. Thank you so much.